Exercise 3.3 is solve the following system of equation by substitution method. In the question number 1, first part is x plus y is equal to 14 and we are given two equations x minus y is equal to 4. From this equation we find the value of x in terms of y. So x is equal to y plus 4. Then we have got this equation, first one. We substitute this value of x which we have got from the second equation in the first one, and we get this 2y plus 4 is equal to 14. So the value of y comes out to be 5. This value of y we substitute it here to get the value of x, that is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then in the fourth part we are given the two equations are 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So when we multiply the first equation, whole equation with 10, we get 2x plus 3y is 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Then we multiply the second equation with 10, we get 4x plus 5y is 23. 4x we write it as 2 into 2x, and we know the value of 2x is 13 minus 3y, which we substituted here, plus 5y is equal to 23. Then we multiply 2 with 13, 26 minus 6y plus 5y is 23. So we get the value of y is 3. This value of y equal to 3 we substitute it here, that is 2x is equal to 13 minus 3 into y. 3 into 3 is 9, so 2x is 4, so x is 2. So y is 3 and x is 2. In the fifth part again we have to find the values of x and y. The equations are root 2x plus root 3y is 0, and the second one is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. We take the first equation, root 2x is equal to minus root 3y, x is equal to minus root 3 upon root 2y. This value of x we substitute it here in the second equation, that is root 3 into minus root 3 upon root 2 into y minus 8 root 8y is equal to 0. Root 8 is 4 into 2, so root 8 is 2 root 2. So this root 3 and this root 3 will give you minus 3y upon root 2 minus 2 root 2y is equal to 0. Then we take here LCM, that is root 2 here. This is root 2. LCM is root 2. We get here minus 3y minus 2 into 2y is equal to 0. So this is minus 3y minus 4y, that gives you minus 7y is equal to, this root 2 will go to the other side and becomes 0. So we get the value of y is 0 upon minus 7, that is 0. And we substitute it here in this equation to get the value of x. X is equal to minus root 3 upon root 2 into 0. So x is also 0. In the question number first, sixth part, we have 3 upon 2 x minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. And the second equation is x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. So here we take the LCM is 6. 9x minus 10y is minus 2. We take 6 to the other side. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. We solve the other equation. This 6 cancels. 2x plus 3y is 13. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2. So this value of x we substitute here in this equation. 13 minus 3y upon 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Then we open the bracket. 117 minus 27y minus 20y is equal to minus 24. So we get minus 47y is equal to minus 24 and minus 117, that is minus 141. Y is 3. This value of y 3 we substitute here in this equation. X is equal to 13 minus 9 4 upon 2, that is x is 2. In question number 2 we have given solve 2x plus 3y is 11, and the another equation is given to us is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So we find the value of 2x is equal to minus 24 plus 4y. This value of 2x we substitute it in the first equation. Minus 24 plus 4y plus 3y is 11. So we solve it. 7y comes out to be 35 and y is 5. The value of y comes out to be 5. We substitute it here. 2x is equal to minus 24 into 4 into 5, that is 2x is minus 4, x is minus 2. Then we are given this equation y is equal to mx plus 3. The value of x is minus 2, y is 5, which we put it here to find the value of m. So we get here minus 2m is equal to 2, m is equal to minus 1. In question number 3, we have to form a pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. The first part we are given the difference of two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So here the difference of the two numbers is given to us is 6. One number is 3 times the other. So we suppose the numbers to be x and y. Their difference x minus y is 26, and because from here we can see x is the larger number, so x is equal to 3 times the smaller number. So x is equal to 3y. This value of x we substitute it here. 3y minus y is 26, so we get the value of y is 13 and x is equal to 3 into 13, 39. So the numbers are 39 and 13. Then in the second part we are given the larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. We suppose the angles to be x and y. Because these angles are supplementary, so x plus y is 180 and x is equal to y. Y is the smaller angle, x is the larger angle. We can take any one. X is equal to y plus 18. This value of x we substitute it here. So we get 2y is equal to 162, y is 81, that is smaller angle is 81 degrees, and x is equal to y plus 18, that is 99 degree. So angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. In the question number 3, third part, we are given cost of 7 bats and 6 balls is 38 and cost of 3 bats and 5 balls is 1750. So here we suppose cost of 1 bat is rupees x and 1 ball is rupees y. The first equation will be 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. The second one is 3x plus 5y is 1750. From here we can get the value of x in terms of y. This value of x we substitute here in this equation, and when we solve this equation we get the value of y to be 50, which we put it here to get the value of x, that comes out to be 500. So cost of 1 bat is rupees 500 and that of 1 ball is rupees 50.